looks like we've got a bit of grass here. I'd say a lot of grass. And shred that down to, I'm going to go super aggressive on that and make it nothing. Because that's growing fast. Right, so I'll be taking a bit off this hedge. Tossed from Hedge down here. It's pretty big, it's just like a square shape. It's definitely meant to be inside the property that I'm doing. Nearly tempted to take more off. Oh, this looks horrible. This is all covered in pink weed and sticky weed. Yuck. Okay, it's a long turn. Oh, it's fine. Anyway, working one thing at a time. So, comes up far. Go back in further though, I'll be looking at nothing. No leaves left. And I'll cut this. Look at that sticky weed. I'll cut this one off level with that fence. Oh. This one off level with the inside the fence. And that one I'll cut off down up through there. See how that looks. And then of course the top last, always do the top last. Oh, got a little birdie there. Wonder here where he's going. Oh, your nest in there. Possibly a nest in there. Check this. That little bird's nest's in the back. I'm not going to do it. Better check. A little bit of time. Here, see the front now. See what I've done to the side. Now, that side. side. So much weed in there. I'll have to whip a snip underneath it, but the old pink weed and everything it's sort of built up in it. There's a lot of weed within there. I'm going to cut through that side. Now we're going to sit this, I'll just have to sit it real close on this letterbox straight up. You won't be able to see it. Maybe on the edge of there. There. Right, so I've gone straight round the outside of it. It's not perfect yet, but now at least I can reach the top much easier because it's not as wide. I'll just go back a bit. So it's shrunk in size, which is good. It's got bloody poison ivy growing underneath it from the trunk, which is not good. Now I'm going to get the top, which is the funnest bit. Before I do the whole thing, just go and cross the road and see if that's a good height or not. If not a good height. I could probably go a little bit lower, I guess. We've got to come back and have a look to see. Yeah, that'll be fine, I reckon. That side looks a bit crap at the moment, so I'll have to fix that up. Yeah, it's a pretty good height. I reckon even lower mightn't hurt, just so that it doesn't grow so quick. Leave that high and it's hard to do every time you come back. Because I'm going a bit lower, see, I won't need a ladder. That's how much I'm taking off. And I'll have to get out all this pink weed. It's wrapped all through it. Horrible stuff. It sticks in there. It goes everywhere. Tries to strangle everything. Basically. Once I finish trimming it though, then it's easy to get it out. Another look from here, yeah. So that's our wide. That's the fence line. This is right, go to it then. Get all the top now. At that height. Straight across. Higher from this side than this the other. A lot on the ground. It's all clear now. It's easier working from this side because it's lower. Just got to get the rest of that off. Oh. I don't look pretty good, but it looks good. Yeah. Let's go across, have a look at it. Have a look from the distance to see if it's level. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Just blow all the leaves off the top. Just give it a bit of a fine tune around that edge. Alright. Get the smaller one out now. All the leaves outwards. Now I've got to pick them up, and then I'm going to get the whippersnipper out and whippersnip straight around the edge and shred it all, and then I can just blow the loose stuff back in under. For the next whatever time, I'll be lugging all this into the trailer. Right, so now I've shredded all underneath there, all the leaves up with the whippersnipper. So the next step now is just blow it all back under. Go really well. That's good height, much lower. So all this back in there, and that should keep the weeds down, all up in there too. There we go, that's what it looks like from this direction. I'll probably cut it in I'll probably cut about a third off it in here. You can see a few little ones sticking up, but maybe if you're going to leave leaves anywhere, leave them on grass so when it gets mowed they get shredded. But I've blown a lot of leaves into under there. There you go. Basically reduce the size of that sucker. A bit neater now and easier to maintain because I can reach it head height. Look at this. This will be the next task probably. Oh, that's just not good. Anyway, I'm going to move on to the next place now. One thing at a time. So I'll get to it.